Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Nursery to Varsity. It is an initiative to enlighten the global public with the knowledge of various miscellaneous fields, and I am one of the member of Nursery to Varsity. In our previous tutorial, we have seen how to create AWS account. Now, let's talk about AWS Global Infrastructure. Whenever we talk about AWS Global Infrastructure, there are two terms came into everyone's mind, that are regions and availability zones. Well, let's see what does it mean. Regions are nothing but different locations across the world in which different data centers reside. There may be more than one data center in a region, and these data centers is known as availability zone. An individual can access these services by sitting anywhere in the world. The AWS Global Infrastructure is designed and built to deliver the most flexible, reliable, scalable, and secure cloud computing environment with the highest quality global network performance available today. Some of the services of AWS are listed below. They are compute, migration, security and compliance, storage, networking, messaging, databases, and management tools, and lots more. We will talk about each and every service with practical demonstration in our upcoming tutorial. But first, let's see regions and availability zones in AWS account and how user can set it. Now, for this, user firstly needs to log in into their AWS account. So for this, firstly, let's log into the AWS account. Now here, click on sign into the console. Provide the password. Now here you have seen this is the regions and the availability zones. US East is the region while North Virginia is the availability zone. From here you can set any of according to your needs. I prefer to choose US East, North Virginia. This is how regions and availability zones are set in AWS account. I hope you like the video. Please do like, subscribe and comment on the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.